Okay, in this lesson, we're going to be displaying two different screens and this sort of demonstrating how you design two separate screens, and then you want to be able to do like a mouse, a click on a control, and then cause the other screen to open. I created a very simple application here, and what I'm going to do is run. So run without debugging here. So it's launching it in the Android simulator, which I have here. And I'm going to close this widget inspector. So here you can see a very simple application where we do something like this. And then here is still the floating action button. And I want it to, when I click on this, I want it to change to a different screen that's going to show some other information. So here, I have this. This is the floating action button. This is the text, and this is the icon. And then if you go to where this is defined, it says this navigator, okay? So the navigator here allows you to cause the Flutter application to navigate or to go to a new screen. And what it's going to do is push the new screen on the stack so that the new screen will sort of sit on top of this screen because you want it to be the new screen to be sitting on top so that when you click on the back button or you go back, you're going to come back to this original screen. So here I define the new screen. And what this new screen is a very simple thing. Just got some UI widgets in it. And it's also got a back button so that when you click on the back button, it's going to let you pop the navigation and it will go back to the previous screen. Okay, so that's here. So here is a new screen. Notice here when I defined the scaffold, I didn't define the app bar. All I just did here was say, okay, I want the safe area. And within the safe area, here is what I did was I positioned the back button at the very top. So this is the position of the back button. Basically, from the top left is the origin of 0, 0. So it's saying from 0, 8 pixels over and 8 pixels down and 8 pixels to the left. To the right, position this button icon. If I click on it, then it will let me come back here. Okay. So this is a very simple kind of application in Flutter where you're just building upon the Flutter components that are part. If you look in my pub spec here, I don't have anything, any new kind of dependencies added. So it's all using all built-in capabilities within Flutter to build this kind of screen. But what we'll be seeing next in the next lesson is building a way to have a more complicated way of routing to different screens. And we'll also show like a bottom navigation bar. Okay.